Sir, klaruhin ko lang kanina yung sinabi nyo dun sa propaganda. Tingin nyo, sir, propaganda lang talaga ng China yung itong gentleman's agreement?
I really believe so. I really believe so that it's just a plain, simple propaganda of the Chinese government. And look at the ambassador, di ba? Kung ano-ano na naman yung sinasabi niya, di ba? Na may 1, 2, 3 na naman siya. Come on. This is not the first time that we caught him lying, di ba? And that's why we were saying na dapat palitan siya, ibalik siya doon sa Beijing. So ako, wala akong kaduda-duda that this is part of their plan. This is part of their strategy. So let's not fall into their traps.
Pero ano ba nangyayari, sir?
Well, we are somehow falling into the trap of this bullying nation. Lahat nagsasalita na, I mean, lahat biglang naging eksperto, no? Pakiusap ko lang, konting yuko lang at minsan hindi natin talaga alam lahat eh. We can learn from each other. We have a pool of